if you are trying to quit smoking. Nicotine lozenge is a well-established and effective quit smoking aid when used correctly. Using the lozenge properly can make a big difference in how well it works. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Start by taking one lozenge from the package, place it in your mouth, and slowly suck it until you notice a strong taste. Step 2. Park the lozenge between your cheek and gum. Step 3. Wait 1 minute until the taste has faded, and then repeat sucking until you notice the strong taste again. Let the lozenge dissolve slowly in your mouth. Don't chew or swallow it. It usually takes 20 to 30 minutes to fully dissolve. From time to time, gently move the lozenge from one side of your mouth to the other. That helps the nicotine absorb evenly. Only use one lozenge at a time every 1.5 to 2 hours, or as directed by your healthcare provider. While the lozenge is in your mouth, avoid acidic drinks like tea, coffee, soft drinks, alcohol, and citrus juice. These can reduce the amount of nicotine that enters your bloodstream and makes the lozenge less effective. You are taking a huge step toward gaining control of your health. Quitting can be tough, but the use of lozenge may make it easier to quit and stay quit. For more details, including possible side effects, check out the pamphlet that comes with your nicotine lozenge box.